Today I am teaching indefinite integrals. Based on this, we divided the problems in the following methods. First method is standard integrals. Second method is integration by substitution. Problems on standard results, algebra and trigonometric twins, integration by parts, integration by partial fractions, integration of irrational and rational functions, integration by successive reduction and miscellaneous problems. In 8 classes, I am divided the problems into following order. In each hour, I will take one by one with examples and I will go to in detail. First hour, I am taking problems based on standard integrals and substitution. Sarala Mariyu Pratikshepana Paddhati Prameyala Samakalam. Now, first problem is integral 1 plus x root of x plus x square by root x plus root of 1 plus x dx. Here we are doing direct integration here, there is no substitution method. In numerator, we are taking common root of 1 plus x, then we are getting root of 1 plus x plus root x divided by root x plus root of 1 plus x into dx. In numerator, I am taken common root of 1 plus x. Now, these two will get cancelled. Then rest of the part is integration root of 1 plus x into dx. Here I am substituting this value 1 plus x as some t, taking derivative dx equals to dt. By substituting these two results in this equation, we can get t power 1 by 2 into dt. Integration of t power 1 by 2 is t power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. Now, replacing t value, this is 2 by 3 into 1 plus x whole power of 3 by 2 plus c. Now, see the options 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, it is matching to the second option. Therefore, second answer is the right for this question. Now, moving to second question, it is integration 1 by x plus x square dx equals to f of x plus c. Find integral x power 4 by x plus x power 5 dx. 4 options are given. By using this, we need to calculate integration x power 4 x plus x power 5. Now, I am taking integration x power 4 by x plus x power of 5 into dx. Now, this equals to. Now, taking denominator x is common, we can get 1 plus x power of 4 into dx. Now, adding 1 and subtracting 1 in numerator. Now, splitting, there are two parts, x power 4 plus 1 minus 1. Now, taking separate, integral x power 4 plus 1 by x times of 1 plus x power of 4 minus 1 by x times of 1 plus x power of 4 whole into dx. Splitting numerator. Now, we can get this is cancelled. This value becomes integration 1 by x into dx. Now, second integration 1 by again multiply with x plus x power 5 into dx. Now, this entire result becomes as f of x. Now, replacing that value, integration 1 by x as log of mod x, this result is f of x plus c. Now, look into the options, it is matching to first option. Therefore, resulting value is log of mod x minus f of x plus c. Question number 3, integral dx by x square plus 4 whole power 3 by 2. In this question, I am going for substitution method. Now, replace x by 2 tan theta. Now, substitute x equals to 2 tan theta. Derivative of x is dx equals to 2 into derivative of tan secant square theta d theta. Replace these values in the integral, that is integration dx by x square plus 4 whole power 3 by 2. Replacing these values in the integral, this is dx value 2 secant square theta d theta by x value 2 tan theta. It becomes 4, you will get outside, 4 times of tan square theta plus 1 whole power 3 by 2. 4 we can write as 2 square whole power, this is 3 by 2, this becomes as 8. Now taking 8 common, this is 2 by 8 integral secant square theta d theta. This 1 plus tan square theta becomes secant square theta whole power of 3 by 2. This becomes secant cube theta. Now secant square, secant cube cancel, denominator 1 secant we will get. Then it can be taken by 1 by 4 integral 1 by secant becomes cos theta d theta. Now integration of cos theta, this becomes sin theta plus c. Look into the options, all options are in terms of x, but we got in terms of theta. Now we have substituted x equal to 2 tan theta. This implies now theta equals tan theta equals to x by 2. Now taking triangle, right angle triangle, this is x, this is 2, this is root of x square plus 4. From the triangle, find out sin theta is x by root of x square plus 4. This is 1 by 4 times x by root of x square plus 4 plus c. Now look into the options, it is matching with the second option. Like these questions, they are giving by using substitution method. Come to the fourth question, it is a very interesting question. Integration 3x plus 2 whole power 10 by 4x plus 3 whole power 12 dx is equals to how much they are asking. Now look into this question. Now this is integral, I am writing this integration 3x plus 2 by 4x plus 3 whole power of 10, remaining denominator part I am writing 4x plus 3 whole square into dx. See here substitution method, this entire bracket value I am taking as some t, let this 3x plus 2 divided by 4x plus 3 take as some t. Derivative of this, here see I am simple shortcut I will give, one short technique here I will give, d by dx of ax plus b by cx plus d, you can write as denominator whole square and numerator, we know the determinant AD minus BC, this value is AD minus BC into dx. This you can use as a short technique in solving like this derivative, we can get easy. Now see, compare with this, it is same as this. Now derivative of this, we can write as denominator whole square and numerator 3 into 3 9 minus 9 minus 8 into dx, that equals to dt. This value equals to, that is 1 by, means this entire value we can get as 1. Now replace, this whole part becomes dt. Now replacing in the question, this value is t, this is t power 10, entire this part becomes as dt into dt. Now we know integration of this x power of n dt, very simple. Now t power 11 by 11 plus c. Now what is t? T we are assuming 3x plus 2 by 4x plus 3, replace t value 1 by 11 times of 3x plus 2 whole by 4x plus 3 whole power of 11 plus c. Observe the options, it is matching with second option. Therefore, answer of fourth question is second option. Moving to fifth question. Fifth question is integral x power 5 by root of 1 plus x cube dx. Whenever in denominator root is there, inside the root consider as t square. Now I am taking inside the root 1 plus x cube as t square. Root of t square it becomes as a t. But numerator x power 5 is there. This x power 5 I am writing x square into x power of 3. Let us see, it is also substitution method. Now taking derivative on both sides. Now derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of this is 3x square dx equals to 2t dt. Now numerator x square dx value replace. This is nothing but x square dx equals to 2 by 3 t into dt. Replace all the values in the given integral, that equals to integration x power 5 by root of 1 plus x cube into dx. Now this equals to integration x power 5 I am splitting into x cube into x square dx by under root of 1 plus x cube. As we mentioned 1 plus x square as t square and x square dx as 2 by 3 dt, all the values replace in this function. Now this becomes integral, this root of t square becomes as t. Now x square dx becomes 2 by 3 into t dt and x cube value becomes t square minus 1. This is the way of substitution. Now t we can get cancelled, take 2 by 3 outside. Now integral t square minus 1 into dt. Now this equals to 2 by 3 times integration of t square t cube by 3 minus t plus c. Here replace t, take t common and substitute t square value 1 plus x square. This is nothing but 2 by 3 times of t. Now t square by 3 minus 1 plus c. Now substitute t square value as 1 plus x cube. This is nothing but 2 by 9 t value root of 1 plus x cube. Now here you will take t square value 1 plus x cube and LCM is 3. It becomes x square minus 2 plus c. Now look into the options, it is matching with the first option. Hence answer of the fifth question is 1 is correct option. Sixth question is integration x by x minus root of x square minus 1 dx. How much integral value? Look into this is a irrational function, rationalize with the denominator, we can get easy. Now rationalizing with x by x minus root of x square minus 1, multiply divide with this fraction, in denominator multiply divide with x plus root of x square minus 1 by x plus root of x square minus 1 into dx. This equals to integration x times of x plus root of x square minus 1 into dx. Now denominator a minus b into a plus b, it becomes a square minus b square. It becomes as denominator as 1. Now multiply with the numerator x into x square plus x into root of x square minus 1 into dx. This one you can get direct integration. Second one we are going for the substitution method. Now this equals to integral x square into dx plus integration x into root of x square minus 1 into dx. Here I am substituting x square minus 1 as t square. If y, because x square derivative is 2x, this x dx becomes dt. Now derivative of this 2x into dx equals to 2t dt. Now 2 gets cancelled. X dx value equals to t dt. Here substitution is not required. The direct integral, this is nothing but x square integration x cube by 3 plus, here we are substituting x dx value as t dt, it is root of t square as t into t dt. It is nothing but t square x cube by 3 t square integration t cube by 3 plus c. We have taken t as x square minus 1. Now replace t value, that equals to 1 by 3 t value x square minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 3, this is 3 by 2 plus c. Now check the option, it is matching with the second option. Looking into 7th question, question is x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus 7x square plus 1, very interesting question. Now here x power 4 is there, numerator x square is there. Now I am taking numerator x square common, denominator x square common. Now this is nothing but take x square common in the numerator, 1 plus 1 by x square, as well as take denominator x square common. If you are taken x square common, we can get x square plus 7 plus 1 by x square into dx. Now remove x square, numerator is 1 plus 1 by x square, it is derivative of x minus 1 by x. Try to write down denominator in terms of x minus 1 by x, that equals to numerator as 1 plus 1 by x square, denominator it is, I am converting into a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. This is nothing but x minus 1 by x whole square plus 9, a square plus b square minus 2 we will get, 9 minus 2 we can get as 7 into dx. Now look into this, if you take x minus 1 by x as t, this becomes as a dt. Therefore, I am substituting denominator x minus 1 by x as t. Derivative of x is dx, I am writing as 1, taking dx common, 1 by x derivative 1 by minus 1 by x square into dx, that equals to dt. Look into this, entire numerator becomes as dt, this is nothing but dt, this value we have taken as t, this becomes t square plus 9, I am writing 3 square. Now it is a standard formula. Now this formula nothing but integral 1 by x square plus a square into dx. This is nothing but 1 by a into tan inverse x, means t by 3 plus c. Now we have taken t as x minus 1 by x, replace t value here, that is 1 by 3 into tan inverse x square minus 1 by 3x plus c. Replace t as x minus 1 by x, by taking LCM we can get this. Observe the options, it is matching with the first option. Moving to 8th problem. The problem is given, look into the options. The options are all inverse involving in terms of tan inverse. Therefore, try to convert the problem in terms of tan inverse. Now, given problem is integral x by x square plus 2x, this plus 2 I am writing as 1 plus 1. This gives plus 1 whole square into dx. This value becomes x plus 1 whole square. This integral equals to x by 1 plus x plus 1 whole square, now whole power of 2 into dx. Now consider x plus 1 as tan theta, it becomes 1 plus tan square theta. Now derivative of this dx equals to derivative of tan theta secant square theta d theta. Replacing these values in the integration, this x value as tan theta minus 1. Now denominator, this is tan square theta, now 1 plus tan square theta whole square into dx value secant square theta d theta. 1 plus tan square as secant square theta, this becomes integral tan theta minus 1 into secant square theta d theta divided by secant power of 4 theta. Now secant power for 2 times gets cancelled, one more secant square is there. Now separating tan theta minus 1 by secant square theta d theta. This equals to integral tan theta 1 by secant square, this is nothing but cos square theta 1 by secant square. Now this is cos square theta into d theta. This is sin theta by cos theta, this tan you will write sin theta by cos theta, one cos cancel, writing tan theta as sin theta by cos theta into cos square theta, one cos theta gets cancelled, remaining part sin theta into cos theta multiply divided with 2, you will get 1 by 2 integral sin 2 theta d theta minus integral cos square theta, we do not know integration of cos square theta, we can write as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2, it can be taken as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 into d theta. Taking integration of sin 2 theta minus 1 by 4 cos 2 theta integration of half into theta minus cos 2 theta integration 1 by 2 into 2 sin 2 theta plus c. But option in terms of x is there, we are assuming x plus 1 equal to tan theta, we need to convert sin theta and cos theta in terms of tan. In between these two, we are taking minus 1 by 4 common, this is cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta minus 1 by 2 theta plus c. Convert in terms of theta nothing but here x plus 1 equal tan theta nothing but tan inverse of x plus 1. Here cos 2 theta in terms of tan 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, sin 2 theta nothing but 2t by 1 plus t square. Substituting these values, take LCM, we can get the first option. Moving to 9th question, this is a question given JEE Mains 2016 offline question. JEE Mains containing online and offline, this is offline question. Now this question is integration x square by root of 1 minus x square dx in terms of a into something plus b into something, c into something plus d is given. Here d is the constant, they are asking a plus b plus c value. Very simple question. This is also based on the only substitution method. Now, in the observe the denominator 1 plus x, 1 minus x is there. This 1 minus x you can substitute as t or t square. If you take t square, root of t square becomes t, we can get simplification little easy. Now, consider 1 minus x as t square, taking derivative on both sides, minus dx equals to 2t dt. Therefore, dx equals to minus 2t dt. Replace these values in the given integral, that equals to integration x square by root of 1 minus x into dx. Integral denominator 1 minus x square as t square. This is nothing but root of t square. Now, this dx value minus 2t dt. Now, x square value. What about x square value here? Now, taking t left side 1 minus t square as x, replace here 1 minus t square and whole square. Root of t square as t, integration, this is a minus b whole square. Now, a square plus b square minus 2ab times this minus 2 I am writing outside, this is into t dt whole divided by t. T gets cancelled. This is nothing but minus 2 times integration of 1 dt t, integration of t power 4 t power 5 by 5 minus 2 integration of t square t cube by 3 plus c. Observe the given RHS. This is nothing but minus 2t minus 2 by 5 t power 5 plus 4 by 3 t cube plus c. Constant they have taken as d, therefore, this constant replaced by as d. Now, this constant is d. Now, compare this entire equation with RHS, then we get a value, b value and c value, that equals to a plus b plus c nothing but minus 2 minus 2 by 5 plus 4 by 3. Taking LCM, we can get minus 16 by 15. Observe the options, it is matching with third option. Moving to 10th question, integration tan power 4x dx equals to ax plus b tan x plus c tan cube x plus d given, then they are asking a plus b plus c how much. We do not know integration of tan power 4x. Now, this tan power 4x I am writing as tan square x into dx. Let one tan square x you can write as secant square x minus 1 into tan square x into dx. We know that derivative of tan x as secant square x. Now, multiplying with this secant square x into tan square x dx minus 1 into tan square x minus tan square x into dx. Here I am going to substitute, let tan x as t, derivative of tan x, this is nothing but secant square x dx equals to dt. In the second integral, we do not know integration of tan square x, again secant square minus tan square theta 1, tan square x equals to, we are writing secant square x minus 1. Replacing these values in the given integrals, integration, this becomes, these two becomes dt, it is as t, therefore, t square into dt minus integral secant square x minus 1 into dx. Now taking integration of t square, now t cube by 3, integration of secant square, this is tan x, minus minus becomes plus, integration of 1 dx as x, constant here mentioned as d, therefore I am taking constant as d. Now t value tan x, this is nothing but 1 by 3 into tan cube x minus 1 into tan x plus d. Compare this entire result with RHS, we can get a value, b value, c value. Adding all the values a plus b plus c values, this is 1 by 3 minus 1 and it is 1. This is nothing but 1 by 3 minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, this equals to 1 by 3. Observe the options, second option is the 1 by 3. Moving to 11th question, integration dx by cos cube x under root of 2, this is sin 2x, 2 sin 2x. Now 11th question, it is given JEE Mains offline question, this is nothing but integration dx by cos cube x under root of 2 sin 2x. 2 sin 2x I am writing as 2 sin x into cos x. Now look into this integration. If the integration involving as sin and cos, try to convert into tan and secant. Let tan x as take t, secant square x dx becomes dt. Now here inside I am converting as tan theta, multiply divided with 1 cos. Now integration dx by cos cube x under root of 4 into sin x by cos x into cos square x. Here I am dividing cos x, this becomes as tan x, root of cos square as cos x, it becomes outside. Now this is 1 by 2 times integration dx by cos power of 4x into root of tan x. Now 1 by cos power 4, this is nothing but integration secant power 4x by under root of tan x into dx. Consider tan x as t, let tan x equals to t, derivative of tan x as secant square x dx, that equals to dt. Numerator secant power 4 is there, secant power 4 I am writing secant square x into dx by root of t. Now secant square x dx becomes as dt, secant square you will write 1 plus tan square, this is 1 by 2 integral 1 plus t square into dt by root of t. Now splitting, that equals to 1 by 2 times of integration 1 by root t into dt plus 1 by 2 t power 1 by 2 by root t. This becomes 2 minus 1 by 2, this is integral t power of 3 by 2 dt. 1 by root t integral, this is 2 root t, 2 into root t plus this is 1 by 2. Now t power of 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 plus c. Here constant as taken as k, therefore this c I am replacing by constant as k. Now this equals to 2 gets cancelled. Now t means tan x, this is the tan x whole power of 1 by 2, therefore this a value as 1 by 2. Here also 2 gets cancelled, 1 by 5 into tan x whole power of 5 by 2 plus k. Now here c value we can get 1 by 5, b value we can get 5 by 2. Now here they are asking what is a plus b plus c value. Now adding all the values 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 5 by 2, it is nothing but 16 by 5. Observe the options, it is matching with the first option. Moving to the next question, now it is 12th question. Given integration dx by x square into x power 4 plus 1 whole power of 3 by 4. Here observe, x power 4 is there, whole power 3 by 4 is there. Now take this x power 4 common, it becomes as a substitution method. Now I am taking integration dx by x square, taking x power 4 common, x power of 4 common, whole power of 3 by 2 will get common. Now this is 1 plus 1 by x power of 4 whole power of 3 by 4. Now 4 gets cancelled, x square into x cube, this is nothing but dx by x power of 5 times 1 plus 1 by x power of 4 whole power of 3 by 4. Look into this, it is converted as a substitution method. Now take it as a t, 1 plus 1 by x power 4 take as t. Derivative of 1 becomes 0, 1 by x power of 4, derivative of 1 by x power of 4 minus 4 by x power 5 dx equals to dt. Here we required dx by x power 5. Now dx by x power 5 equals to dt by minus 4. Replace all the values in the given integral. Constant I am writing outside. This becomes 1 by t power 3 by 4 dt. Integration of this minus 1 by 4 t power minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by minus 3 by 4 plus 1 plus c. This is nothing but minus 1 by 4 times t power 1 by 4 by 1 by 4 plus c, 1 by 4 gets cancelled. This is nothing but minus t value 1 plus 1 by x power 4, 1 plus 1 by x power of 4 whole power of 1 by 4 plus 3. Compare this result with RHS. Now we can get fx as, therefore fx equals to 1 plus 1 by x power of 4. They are asking f of 1 value, replace x by 1, therefore f of 1 equals to 1 plus 1 by 1, that equals to 2. Observe this, it is matching with the third option. Like these problems we can get under substitution method. Next, 13th question. It is numerator is 2x power 12 plus 5x power of 9 by x power 5 plus x cube plus 1 whole cube. Here I am taking x power 5 common, then it becomes x power 5 whole cube, that equal to x power of 15 we can get common. This is integral 2 into x power of 12 plus 5 into x power of 9 divided by, we are taking x power 5 common, it becomes x power of 15, 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x power of 5 whole power 3 into dx. Now dividing entire numerator by x power of 15, now this equals to 2 into x power 12 by x power 15, so x power minus 3, x power of 9 by x power of 15, 5 into x power of minus 6 divided by 1 plus x power minus 2, x power of minus 5 whole power 3 into dx. Now see, If we take denominator as t, we can get numerator becomes dt. Assume that this denominator as t, taking derivative minus 2 into x power of minus 3 minus 5 into x power of minus 6 whole into dx, that equals to dt. Now numerator 2x power of minus 3 plus 5x power of minus 6, taking minus common, 2x power of minus 3 plus 5x power of minus 6 into dx, this equals to minus dt. Replace this value in the numerator, it becomes minus dt by denominator as t power 3, that equals to minus integral t power of minus 3 dt. It is integration of x power of n, it is nothing but minus t power of minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus c. Replace t value as 1 plus x square plus x power minus 5, this is nothing but 1 by 2 times t value 1 plus x power of minus 2 plus x power of minus 3 whole power of minus 2 plus c. Now taking LCM, this is 1 by 2, write as 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x power of 5 whole power minus 2 plus c. Now simplify this, it will be matches to first option. Moving to next question, integration x square minus 2 divided by x power 4 plus 5x square plus 4 times into tan inverse x plus 2 by x. Observe this question, all options are in terms of log of tan inverse. Now try to substitute this value as some t, remaining part becomes dt. Now consider tan inverse of x plus 2 by x, this becomes as t. By looking options, we can easily find out the substitution. Now integration derivative of tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x square and derivative of x is 1 and 2 by x is 2 by x square into dx, that equals to dt. It is a plus b whole square, and taking LCM, this is 1 by 1 plus x square plus 4 by x square plus 2ab, this is 4 into x square minus 2 by x square into dx equals to dt. Here taking LCM x square gets cancelled, that implies 1 by x power of 4 plus x square plus 4 plus 4x square into x square minus 2 into dx becomes dt. That implies 1 by x power of 4 plus 5x square plus 4 into x square minus 2 into dx becomes dt. Observe this, entire this part becomes dt and this becomes as in t, that given integral equals to dt by t. Now integration of 1 by t is log of mod t plus c. Now t value, substitute t value log of mod tan inverse x plus 2 by x mod plus c. Observe the all options, it is matching with the first option. Question number 15, f x equal to integral x square plus sin square x by 1 plus x square into secant square x dx, and given f of 0 as 0, then find f of 1. Now multiply with secant square. Now f of x equals to integral x square into secant square x plus sin square x into secant square x whole divided by 1 plus x square into dx. This sin square, secant square you write 1 by cos square, sin square by cos square becomes, this is tan square x. Now replacing tan square, integral x square secant square x plus tan square x divided by